This is the audio test on Xiaomi 15T Pro. This is selfie video recording 4K 30 FPS. Let's switch to the Samsung phone. And this is the latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in 4K 30 FPS using the selfie video recording. I think that's it for the quick audio test. Let the battle begin. Daylight shot on the ultra-wide, we got a more detailed Xiaomi 15T Pro. The sky is also lighter than the Galaxy phone, while the images on Samsung is brighter compared to the competition.
Get into it if you don't know now, that's the only way I do it. Backyard boogie got the whole party moving.
On the main sensor test, we got a brighter image on S25 Ultra, closer in reality, while we got a more vivid look on Xiaomi 15T Pro, which some people might prefer.
Play it like a hobby, she know I'm on the grind. I don't need no introduction. You get a lot further if you follow these instructions.
We got two optical zooms on S25 Ultra, 3x and 5x optical, while we only have 5x optical on Xiaomi 15T Pro.
You gotta show me something. To either be about it or you're bluffing. Style like this don't come a dime a dozen.
We have 3x macro on Xiaomi 15T Pro, like a 3x on S25 Ultra, but we have 100 times space zoom on both phones. If you ask the question, Xiaomi 15T Pro is better than S25. On portrait mode 1x, I like the natural looking Galaxy S25 Ultra. My subject's face doesn't look weird, while we get a boosted color and skin tone on Xiaomi 15T Pro, more beautified compared to the Samsung flagship.
And it's still a day late. Greatest alive, you know my lifeline. We ain't alike, we on a different time.
On 2x or 50mm, same tendency. Xiaomi 15T Pro is a bit overexposed looking at my face, and natural looking Galaxy S25. I think I would go with Galaxy phone here, since it will provide more natural looking skin tone.
Breaking a rule, breaking the bank and getting revenue. Let's bring it back to the basics.
And on portrait zoom, we got 3x and 5x on S25 Ultra and only 5x on Xiaomi 15T Pro. The level of details are almost the same. We got a brighter face on Xiaomi 15T Pro. And on selfie, again, same tendency as the rear cameras. We got a natural looking S25 Ultra. In terms of portrait, I would go with the Galaxy phone. Alright, video test. Starting with the ultra-wide 4K 30 FPS. This is what it looks like using both phones. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus a Xiaomi 15T Pro. Look at the color of the sky and the waters. Let's switch to the main sensor. And this is the main sensor test. Look at the details and the colors. You have a natural looking tone on S25 Ultra and more vivid and more contrasty on Xiaomi 15T Pro. And then switching to the optical, we got 3x on S25 Ultra and 5x on Xiaomi 15T Pro. Look at the details on the grass and the dome. We also have 5x on S25 Ultra. Which phone is better? And in terms of the farthest reach, we got 20x on S25 Ultra and 15x on Xiaomi 15T Pro. On the ultra-wide, same level of brightness on night shots, but if you look on the trees, we got more details on Galaxy S25 Ultra. On the main sensor test, same looking images. I just don't like the tint, the purplish tint on Galaxy S25 Ultra, but again, this is a matter of personal taste. We got more details on Xiaomi 15T Pro.
Come on, let's go. I'll show you everything.
On zoom, we got 3x and 5x on Galaxy S25 Ultra, but I think the image quality on the zoom goes to the Xiaomi 15T Pro. We are starting this low light video test using the selfie camera of Galaxy S25 Ultra in 4K 30 FPS. And switching to Xiaomi 15T Pro, again selfie video recording 4K 30 FPS. Let's switch to the rear cameras. Low light video test. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus Xiaomi 15T Pro using the ultra wide, so 0.6 on both phones. Look at the exposure and the clarity on low light. I think S25 Ultra is better on the ultra wide. Switching to the main sensor. So this is the main sensor test. Both are equally good. A little bit warmer on Xiaomi 15T Pro. Looking at the colors. Exposure is also the same for both phones. Switching to the optical zoom, 3x on S25 Ultra and 5x on Xiaomi 15T Pro. And we also have 5x on Galaxy S25 Ultra. Look at the quality of the zoom. And going for the 4D zoom, 20x versus 15x respectively. Quick vlogging test on Xiaomi 15T Pro. This is video bokeh or bokeh. It's only in 1080p 30 FPS. And this is the portrait video on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Using the selfie video, we can shoot portrait video on the selfie and the rear camera on both 4K 30 FPS. So much better on the Samsung phone. And lastly, the video resolution test. So this is Xiaomi 15T Pro in 8K 30 FPS video recording. And also 8K video recording on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Which phone is better in terms of price to performance ratio? Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or Xiaomi 15T Pro? Leave your comment down below, and as always, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.